Hello, welcome to Examhood. Let's solve this problem, this word problem in fraction. We are still solving mathematical problems in primary 5. Let's solve this word problem in fraction. The question says a man earns 5,000 naira for 10 days work. How should he earn in 14 days if he's working at the same rates? So if he's working, he earns for 10 days. For 10 days, he earns 5,000. So for one day, he will earn less. So for one day work, one day he will earn 5,000 over what? 10. 0 cancel 0. So for one day, he's going to earn 500 naira. So for working for 14 days, for 14 days now, 14 days, the man will earn 14 times 500. 14 times what? 500. So let's see how we can multiply this. 5 times 0 will give you 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 4 times 5. Sorry, 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 5 will give you 20. 1 times 0 will give you a 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5 is 5. So let's add up 0, 0, 0, and what? And 7. So for working for 14 days, therefore, 14 days is going to earn 7,000. Going to earn 7,000 naira. Just let me check something.
5 days for 10 days.
Wait.
14 days.
Okay, it's correct. It's correct.